Hi, this is Rishi Abraham. Today I will talk about what I learned in week 3. This week I learned about software complexity. I also learned about the difference between developing a system and writing a program. First, I will talk about depth and breadth. Breadth. Okay. Breadth means a number of different parts in a software system. For example, a system may have login page, registration page, payment page, and database and an admin panel. When system has different parts, it has more breadth. Depth means how difficult or detailed one part of the system is. For example, login page may look simple, but it need to be password checking, email checking, security error message, and account recovery. This detail create depth. So breadth means many different feature, and depth means difficulty inside each feature. Both depth and breadth can make software complex. It is important because a complex system is harder to build, test, and maintain. A software engineer should understand other complexity before starting a project. It helps team to make a good plan. Next, I learn about developing a system and writing a program. Writing a program means creating code to complete a specific task. For example, a program can write a code to calculate a total price. A programmer can also write a code to check a password. Developing a system is bigger than writing one program. A system includes many programs and many other parts. It may include user, database, security, design, system, and maintenance. System development also needs planning. The developer needs to understand the problem. They need to collect requirements. It also need to be design the system before the writing the code. After writing the code, they need to test the system. They must find errors and fix them. So program is one part of the system development. Okay, the system development includes full process. The most useful thing I learned that planning is very important. A developer should not start coding understand the whole system. First, the developer should know what the user needs. Then the developer should divide the project into small parts. The learning can help me in many software engineering projects. For example, before building my project, I can list all the features. I can identify the breadth of the project. Then I can check how difficult each feature is. This helps me to understand the depth. I can start with the important feature. I can also avoid adding too much difficult feature. This will save my time. It also make the project easier to test. The the knowledge will help me to become a better software developer. I will understand that software engineering is not only about writing code, it also about planning, designing, and testing, and solving the problems. In a conclusion, this week I learned about depth and breadth of the software complexity. I also learned about the difference between writing code and developing a complete system. The idea will help me to plan my project properly. That will also help me to better and simple software. Thank you so much for listening.